Hello, myself Swar Pratap Singh Madhya. I am from Deep Power School, Madhavar Satna, MP. We have seen that many times that in many places that proper railway control room centers are not present. उसके लिए मैंने बनाया है ये automatic railway gate system. And in many countries also, due to lack of employees, this proper setup is not being easily operated. इसीलिए मैंने ऑटोमेटिक सेट बनाया है जिसमें अगर ट्रेन आएगी the sensor will automatically detect the train and this railway gates will open and the signal will be displayed over here to the travelers who are traveling. और एक और मेजर दिक्कत जो आती है that many pedestrian and two-wheeler try to cross this railway gate by passing under it. That is very dangerous. Even if the train will come, that can cause extreme damage and loss of lives. For that purpose, I have made this anti-underpass barrier, which will stop pedestrian and two-wheelers to cross the railway gate while that it will be closed. Very simple but very effective and unique idea that can stop the loss of properties and damages of life. Like you can clearly see that when the train will come, the sensor automatically detects and close and open. When the train comes, it closes and when the train goes, it opens. You can see that when the train is coming, it automatically senses the train and closes the gate and open it when it goes. At last, I want to tell that it is very economically beneficial for the country and directly advantage to the railway of India and government and can lead to very big contribution to development of the India. And I also want to highlight once more that in India these roads are very accident prone. So to prevent that accident and loss, this could be very effective. And one more time I want to say that this extended barrier could lead to very effective and avoid the accident because many people try to pass under it. So it was all about my project. At last I want to tell that this is very unique and if it will be adopted, it will be very beneficial for the India and the government. And thank you.